This is gonna be so easy. Let me just hit the last two here. And it's 13 and stack. It cannot not fit. I'm gonna get tired so much. I'm just kidding. Let's ignore that. Let's say, bro, where? I have to open. Okay, we got all of the things like this. Now it's time to. What the hell was that? This is gonna be a while. So let's just pause it real quick so we can finish this so easy. Let's ignore that. And now finally we pause. I just got two on. I didn't even so freaking thing. I'll just call it a thing. Oh god. This is gonna be so boring. It's worth it. Ah! Oh! He almost got that hard. I'll put it in here before the orange. I'll just put my phone to me too. Okay. Wow. Now let's dig it. Oh god, that was hard. Let's pretend that we didn't see that. This is gonna be a long round. Boom. Time to lift it here. Now we done. Ah, there you go. Let's start this with the coats. We got a lot of coats here. Yeah. Got a lot of Coca-Cola here. These are a lot of Coca-Cola. Like nothing about. Let's not pretend. Let's pretend I didn't hear that. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a lot of Coca-Cola. I will be right back. I don't know how am I doing this. I don't know how am I doing this. Okay, it's got bottle filter. Okay. We got to put it in the bag. In the bag. Oh. Ouch. Oh. Finally get the Coca-Cola cups. Wait, was there two Sprites and one Sprite bottle? Is this a kind of trick? Time to put it in there. Now The two of them doesn't have a check-in or something. Let's just get to the 4. There's only one spark plug, so this is I'm sweating. Oh. Okay, we got the easy note. Okay. Don't put it in there before I smash. You freaking devil's type child. Don't. My freaking po. Ako na nga You are not my servant. And you make it clear. You freaking piece of trash. You make the camera blur. What's it going, child? You seeing it with me? Fine. Now I can see me. Okay. So we get the Okay, we totally need a dala-dala. We need 2 dala-dala for this. Okay, we kinda messed up, chat. Kinda messed up. This is not Skibidi. This is not Final Text. This is not freaking Skibidi. This ain't Skibidi, bro. This ain't Skibidi. Oh, what the? Hey, bro's dizzy as hell. Okay, I'm getting kind of. Wait, how am I doing this? Oh no. Now be a good boy and sit down. Just like this guy. Am I hearing tung 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 sounds? Ignore myself. Ignore myself. That's literally. Okay, where's it? Okay, we done chat. We done chat. We done. Just for 9 minutes.